Hello, CI Pavement. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in Texas, and what I went ahead and did was an entire audit on your business's online presence. I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. Basically, we want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business like Angie's List, like Home Advisor, Yelp ads, or Google ads. But instead, your website is already bringing people in through the door or they're calling you directly. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. That being said, let's jump right into it here. Let's start with taking a look at your Google business profile, which is basically a snapshot of what your business is all about, and it can bring you a lot of leads as well if it's done right. So I searched for CI Pavement and I got this snapshot right here. It has some photos on there, it has some Google reviews, which is great, and then we have some information about your business, which is fantastic. Something else I want to show you while we're on Google is the layout of a Google search and what this means to you. If I search for concrete repair, Dallas, Texas, I then get some sponsored results. Sponsored is going to be Google ads that people are paying for, and then I see this map pack here. So this map, and then the top 3 or 4 businesses that are coming up on this map are being optimized in a certain way. And then we have organic search, which is the rest of the search for concrete repair in Dallas, Texas. And the organic search and or the map pack is really where you want to be all the time. This map pack is where 30% of your business should be coming from, and the organic search, that's where 70% of your business should be coming from. People don't like to search through a list of service companies. They usually pick someone who's on the top of the list because it's more convenient and less time consuming. Now let's go back to your website here, cipavement.com. Not a bad looking site, lots of pages here. When looking through your site, I saw a lot of pictures as well as some content or words in there as well, which is great. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete repair work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content, and what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. To add to that, we want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar when looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. If we look at your keywords here, you have a lot of keywords, which is great, 144. All these keywords here: parking lot, stripping, Dallas, concrete speed bump design, concrete speed bump detail, so forth and so on. Your highest ranking keyword, basically, CI Pavement, is your own name. What our highway is made of is your next highest. But basically, this is the traffic that's coming into your business each month just from your keywords. So not all these keywords are actually working for you here. All this is bringing in 0 traffic on average per month. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google likes to look at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your website by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have, and in a few we'll go over how many backlinks and keywords some of your competitors have. 670 backlinks for Pavement.com. That's a lot of backlinks. It's fantastic. All these websites here are pointing to all these web pages here on Pavement.com, which is great. But once again, they're not all weighted the same. If it's a more credible website, then it's a more credible link to your website. So we have your backlinks and keywords shown, but what this tool is also showing is that your online presence is bringing you about 28 visits or 28 traffic flow per month on average. If you have a pen and paper, write that number down. 28 visits on average per month from your website and through your online presence. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. That's this one right here. So name, phone number, address is on here. Citations also help you rank in a map pack when people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for your local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Other citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others you might have heard of. Yelp, if I search for concrete repair for Dallas, Texas, you see a whole bunch of things in this map here, as well as different search answers or search results. When I go to Business Bureau, betterbusinessbureau.com or bbb.org, you see when searching for concrete repair in Dallas, Texas, all these that have their name, phone number, address as well, all called citations. Social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram are great as well. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. We're going to switch gears here. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, the goal is to outgrow your competitors. Now let's take a look at what your competitors are doing and why making a change is so important for your business through your website. And just a reminder, Ahrefs is just a tool, so these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. If I go to Texas Concrete Restoration or texconrest.com, they have their own website. If I put them into the tool, they have much less keywords than you have. Actually, a little more keywords than you have, but much less backlinks than you have. But the traffic is quite a bit more than what you have each month. If you wrote it down, it was 28 visits to your website per month. This one has 161 visits to their website per month. Another competitor of yours, Concrete RestorationInc.com or Concrete Restoration, Inc. They have 172 keywords, just a little more than what you have. They have a lot less backlinks than you have, but they have 552 visits to their website per month on average. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Profile, let's say the conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 552 is 55. And if they close business deals at around 50% of those 55 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Concrete Restoration Inc. is probably closing somewhere around 22 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 22 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265, and my email is ajns4you@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great rest of your day.